Health insurance helps with protecting from serious illnesses and accidents and covers your medical bills. Interesado ka ba na magka-insurance? Do you feel overwhelmed where to start? Well, you should start with getting to know the different kinds of insurance policies. And the first kind of insurance you should look into ay ang health insurance. Health insurance helps with protecting serious illnesses and accidents and covers your medical bills, particularly yung mga sobrang laki na hindi mo na kayang i-handle on your own. We also have life insurance. Itong kind of insurance naman na ito ay importante, especially if your family is dependent on your salary. It can include bills such as living expenses, loans, credit cards, mortgage, or mga tuition fee. So get to know which one you need most and plan for your future now. For more tipid and investment tips like this, don't forget to click the follow and like button.